my name is Vicky.
Hi, I'm Jessica.
Today we want to show you how to create this girl planter. Let's get our tools. We'll need a chopstick, some tweezers, and a spoon. Oh, the spoon. If we can find it in this mess. Here it is. Okay, so now we're going to be removing the drain stopper. You're not going to need this because we're going to be adding a piece of mesh. Succulents do need drainage, so you do want to add some very well draining soil, and then the mesh, it'll just help prevent any of the soil from coming out, but still allowing water to come out. For our tall plants, we like to use two that are equal in height but very different in color, and then we like to put those in the back. After that, we'll use our side plants. Our side plants, we like to keep left and the right side looking the same. Using like more of the dainty, skinnier looking succulents. Here we have like a type of cactus. I forgot the name. Then we have this really cute crassula that we like to use a lot because it's also very thin. And pretty much how I said, what we do on the right, we do on the left. Next up is this sedum, which is a favorite amongst everyone. It's just so cute. How can we not use it? And we always put it on the side since it kind of grows more long hanging. So what we do on the right, we do on the left, same situation. And now we got this string of pearls. This guy's very tricky. I recommend you guys try to keep them together as close together as you can, because once they separate, it's like wild and it's very hard to get them back together. So gently put those right in the front, and this one grows so cute, just nice and long, and it's variegated, so it's extra cute. Just look at it. And now we got this Lola. Look at how beautiful it is. It has this beautiful purple hue. Lolas do not like their leaves to get touched. Your oily fingers will leave a mark, so always use tongs and grab it by the base. Put those roots in gently. So I only have one plant left, so at this point I'm going to be stuffing it with a bunch of soil. Like, really get in there, because if you save the soil for last, you're going to be pushing against the sides and it could get very messy. So having this gap is very helpful. And the succulent that's going to go right next to the Lola is this sunrise succulent. It's really cute, has a lot of color, and it's variegated as well. So I'm going to just gently put it in there and stuff in the roots. And now I'm just kind of going to go in through the sides, look around, and this side looks to be needing more of this stick looking succulent. Once I've made all the adjustments, I'm going to be adding more soil. And while I'm adding soil, I'm also moving the plants around, making sure that they're the height that I want them to be, or that they're centered, because when you put soil, everything moves. So it's constant readjusting. And this moss bowl, this is just to cover the soil, and this is towards the end. So make sure everything is set in place, and then you could add your moss. And this is how she looks. Isn't she just beautiful? Please like, subscribe, follow our page. We're going to be posting more tutorials very soon. Thanks.